Grace, it said, is God's unmerited favor towards you. In other words, there's nothing you can do to deserve it. But it means that God has wonderful favor toward you, regardless of who you are. And this is what he said to me in July of 2003. He said, "My grace is always sufficient for every occasion, for every situation, for every circumstance, every discomfort, every disease, every accident, every injury, every heartbreak, every period of exhaustion and pain, because I am there with my grace to not only see you through it, but to see that you emerge victorious. Every occurrence has a happy ending when you invite me into it to help you," said God. He said, "I said that in the world you would have tribulation, but to rejoice because I have overcome the world." He said, "I don't know how to lose in the midst of a tribulation brought by the devil. I only know how to win. So you and I will win together in every bad circumstance that happens in your life." He said, "I insist to the heavens that you and I win. And you must determine that we will win." And then he used another example about cooking with me. He said, "Sometimes the best cakes are made with sour milk or sour cream or buttermilk. And when the sour milk or sour cream or buttermilk is mixed with the other ingredients, it produces a tasty, light, and delicious cake. So if the devil is dousing you with his sour milk of calamity, know that I will provide the best ingredients to add to that sour situation so that a fantastic result will emerge. I have unimaginable elements that I can add to the worst situations in life that will change those situations from bad to glorious." He said, "Just give me time in which to work, and give me your prayers through which I can work as your assistant in the situation." Let God bring His grace into every situation in your life.